County and East Central Georgia, southeastern Lincoln County and East Central Georgia, northeastern Richmond County and East Central Georgia, southwestern Edgefield County and Central South Carolina, west central Aiken County and Central South Carolina, southeastern McCormick County and Central South Carolina, until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wrightsboro, or near Thompson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Augusta, Grovetown, Evans, Thompson, Martinez, Augusta, Clearwater, Belvedere, Edgefield, Harlem, Appling, Clarksville Recreation Area, Newtown, Redwood, Mistletoe State Park, Somerville, Wrightsboro, Augusta Mall, Daniel Field and Village Plaza Shopping Center.